Hey babes, today I want to show you some similarities between Dolce & Gabbana's eyeshadow palette in Amber Venus and the original Ethereal Eyes by Makeup by Mario. And here on my index finger is the reddish matte of the Dolce & Gabbana shade, and the other one is the lightest brown shade by Mario. And by the way, the crease shade, the neutral crease shade of Dolce & Gabbana, I'm not even swatching here because it's not like the options you have in Mario. I really enjoy and like this neutral crease shade. It's great to, contour your eyes, shape them, lift them a little bit. On the two bottom swatches, you have the Mario one, and I think you can tell that the Dolce & Gabbana shimmer is more neutral, which I much prefer when I'm, smoking out my lash line for a bit of bronzy smokiness. It's just prettier. It doesn't, well, it looks pretty, and I think the Mario with this reddish undertone looks a bit sickly, so I don't like, using that shade for that purpose as much. On the other hand, the two deepest mattes in Mario are more neutral, and for me, preferable to the Dolce & Gabbana, but the D&G one is also very beautiful to bring out blue and green eyes. This deepest matte shade, it's almost like the Pillow Talk liner with a bit of aubergine in it. Very beautiful. Well, not my preference on a daily basis, but it's very subtle. It's not as punchy as I might have explained it. And here we have the wet sparkles. The Mario one is a bit more opaque. It's much finer than the Dolce & Gabbana one. Dolce & Gabbana has much bigger particles. It's the one for you on the right side here, on my green eye in the inner corners. It's more translucent, but it has more oomph. It looks a bit more glam and has a stronger reflection. While the Mario one is a bit more subtle, a bit softer, more brightening because it has more opacity for its finer sparkles. Both of them are very, very beautiful. I mean, I don't do this inner corner highlight as much because my inner corners are very dark. They are doing better with a matte highlight, but I just tried to demo it. I don't think it was as visible. However, here we have those swatches again. Check the info box, please, to specify them, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.